Hey everyone. Okay, this video is going to show you how to basically buy a second .com that for a site that you're already hosting on Hostgator, the only web hosting that I personally recommend. Okay, so basically what you'll do is you're going to go to there's something called a cPanel, which is your control panel. You'll bring you to this menu. You'll type in your username, your password, and your login, and then it'll bring you over here to your inside your cPanel. Okay, so once you're in your cPanel, what you're going to do is there's a big button here that says register. So I'm going to register the second domain. I already have like about 5 domains on this Hostgator account right now. I'm actually going to register the domain for this website, escapetheratraceguide.com. Make sure it's spelled correctly and then hit register. It's going to check to see if the domain is already taken, which I know it's not. And then it's going to bring you to this thing that basically is going to allow me to purchase the domain from Hostgator via another domain site. And you'll see here, Escape the Rat Race Guide. Make sure that this says .com. Do not use net, org, blah, 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 TV. Don't use any of those. Always go with the .com. I'll explain in other videos why. Make sure that .com is clicked here. And then what you're going to do is you're just going to scroll down and then you'll hit purchase. Once you get to the purchase page, you will, it's pretty self-explanatory from here. What I usually do is I do it for, you can do it for 9 years, but you know what, let's just do one. I always do everything for 1 year at a time. The price is $15. The only thing that hangs me up literally every time I apply for a new domain is this agree to terms. Make sure that this is checked. I don't know why, but it's so small and I always forget it. And then what you'll do is you're just going to type in all of your information here, your billing and all that stuff, credit card information, and then again you'll click purchase. So let me go ahead and fill that out and then I'll come right back. There is one thing I wanted to mention before I come back though. Right here where it says password, this is kind of confusing. You're going to make a new password. So whatever password you choose here is the password you're always going to come back to every single time you need to make changes on this website. So make sure it's something that you that you remember, and then write it down. Okay. So now I'm back in the Hostgator control panel, and what you're going to do is you're going to scroll down until you hit domains. You're going to click add on domains, and you're going to enter your new domain name. So obviously mine is escapetheratraceguide.com, and you're just going to enter your information here. I'll enter my password and come right back. And you can see here that you get a little green screen that says the add-on domain, the escapetheratraceguide.com, has been created. So now let's see. If I go to my website, escapetheratraceguide.com, you'll see it's hosted by Hostgator, and it says your name servers may need updating. So let's go ahead and try to figure out how to do this. So what you do is you'd go back to registryrocket.com, which is where we purchased it from. And right here, you're going to say manage your domain. So you're going to log in with your credentials. And then once you're logged in, you can see here where it says DNS information. This is where the Hostgator stuff basically goes. So if you bought your domain from another company, you're going to have to, from like GoDaddy or something like that, you're going to have to update that here so that Hostgator knows that you're hosting your website here. But the good news is if you bought it from Hostgator, you don't have to do anything. So we're all set. Actually, I take that back. You do need to customize your DNS. So you're going to click edit. And what will happen is Hostgator will send you an email shortly after, maybe like an hour or two, and you're just going to go in and update this. They'll give you like a little number, 5-digit number, hostgator.com, and then you'll do save for name server 1 and 2, and then that's it. And then after that, everything is perfectly good to go on your site. Thanks. Bye guys.